Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the fixed asset register in Zoho Books. This feature helps you track and manage your business assets while automatically calculating depreciation, making your accounting much more efficient. First, head over to the Zoho Books website at zoho.com/books and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the settings icon. Click on it to access your account configurations. This is where you'll enable the fixed asset feature that's essential for tracking your business equipment, vehicles, and other long-term assets. In the settings menu, you'll see several sections. Look for setup and configurations, and within that section, locate the general option. Click on General under Preferences. This area controls the core features available in your Zoho Books account. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled Fixed Assets. Go ahead and check this box to enable the fixed asset feature. Once checked, click Save to apply these changes. This activates the fixed asset register functionality across your entire account. Now that the feature is enabled, head back to your dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Accountant. This section houses all your advanced accounting tools. From the Accountant menu, select Fixed Assets to open your fixed asset register. This is your central hub for managing all assets that depreciate over time. To add your first asset, click the new Fixed Asset button at the top right of the screen. A form will appear where you'll enter all the critical details about the asset. Start by entering the asset name, purchase date, and purchase value. These fields establish the basic identity and initial worth of your asset. Next, select the fixed asset type, which categorizes your asset for reporting purposes. You'll also need to specify the asset life in months, depreciation frequency, computation type, and depreciation method. The straight line method is commonly used as it spreads the depreciation evenly over the asset's useful life. Moving on, you'll need to add the account details. This includes entering the fixed asset account, accumulated depreciation account, and depreciation expense account. These accounts ensure your asset is properly recorded in your books and that depreciation is tracked accurately. If you want to add additional context, you can optionally include notes and reporting tags to this asset for better organization and filtering later. Finally, click Save to create the asset in your fixed asset register. Your asset is now tracked in Zoho Books, and the system will automatically calculate depreciation based on the parameters you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.